I know what you're thinking. Making money just by clicking ads? It does sound crazy and like a complete scam, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can in fact make hundreds and potentially thousands of dollars simply by clicking and watching free ads. If that sounds like something you'd like to do and would like to learn how, make sure you watch this video all the way up until the end so you know exactly what you need to do to earn the most amount of money possible. I will also be showing you how you can earn money passively on complete autopilot, so stay tuned till the very end of this video to learn how. In this video, I will cover how you will be able to use this particular method in order to make money in a fast and easy process by watching free ads. So let's get into it. So for step 1, all you need to do is simply just click on the ads. As an example, this right here is what's known as a banner ad, and I will click on it to continue on to the second step. Step 2 is to just wait 10 seconds on the specific website and to not continue on or take any further action. And then for step number 3, that's when you're going to start making money. This is exactly how people are able to make money from all over the world simply by just clicking on ads. This website is completely free and you don't need to make any upfront costs whatsoever in order to start using this website yourself to earn money with this method. And this website is accessible in any country all over the world. In order to use it yourself, the things that are required are just having a smartphone or computer and an internet connection. For the first phase, I'll display exactly how you can start earning money online by watching ads. For the second phase, I'll show you exactly how you can earn $30 for every single click that you make using my particular strategy with this method. And then for the third phase, I'll show you how you can earn between $500 and $1,000 every single day completely automatically. Continue watching so you will know and understand how to use this fresh new strategy so you don't miss anything. For the first step, you will visit this website in order for you to make money online. I'll tell you the name of this website in just a second, but first, you will need to create a PayPal account if you don't have one already. So just head over to paypal.com and click on this button that says sign up to create a free account. After you click on sign up, you will then have the option to select either a personal account or a business account. You will most likely want to select personal and then click on get started right here. After that, you'll be required to submit some basic personal information in order to actually complete creating your account. If you would prefer not to create a PayPal account or simply would just like to use a different payment method, just search on Google online bank account in my country. And then if you haven't done that already, you can create your own free online bank account on that given platform. So the website that I'd like you to go to where you can earn money by clicking on ads is called aticlicks.net. So now that you know which website you need to visit and use, it's very important that you follow every single step from here on out for the rest of this video in order to know exactly what you need to do to earn money using this method and to not make any mistakes. If you fail to watch this entire video and not follow all of these steps exactly, you risk not being able to get any of your money that you have earned using this strategy. So right here, you can see that all your online activities will allow you to potentially earn extra cash online. You can choose to watch ads, which involves you clicking on several different websites and different ads, which will then allow you to get paid real money. You could also focus on filling out high-paying surveys, join and participate in several contests, complete a variety of different offers, refer other people like family and friends or anyone else online, or just do bonus tasks. So what I want to save in this video is something that's more important than any of these options. This website is very open and transparent about all of their earnings. Here, you can see that there are this many total members and this much money that's been paid in total for all of the members. And best of all is that you're able to cash out or withdraw all of your earnings through a variety of different payment methods. They also show all of the previous withdrawals that all members have made here on this page. So in order to get started and create your own free account, what you need to do is simply click on this button right here. You will then be redirected to this page where you will be required to fill out some basic personal information. All you will need to provide is your full name, a username, your email address confirmation, a password confirmation, your birth year, and your birthplace. You then need to verify right here in this box, and then check this box right here saying that you've read, agreed, and abide by the rules from this website. You can click right here to read the rules if you'd like. After you've completed and filled out all of this information, simply click this button right here to complete your application process for your new account. This is what your main homepage or dashboard will look like after you've completed creating your account. So what I'd like you to do is go up to where it says Earn Money and hover over that, and then go down and click on View Ads. That will then redirect you to this page where it will show you your daily ads, promotion ads, standard ads, and micro ads. Here you can see how much you'll earn per click on each of these ads, and they all are relatively low. The reason for this is because it will differ based on where you are located in the world. So if you are in a location where ads are simply not as welcome, there is no need to worry because I will still show you how you can earn up to $30 per click, even if you are in a country that is not going to enable you to make as much money clicking on ads. But for now, I'd like to show you how to start earning while clicking on ads, especially if you're in a country where you can earn more money than those who are in countries that don't earn as much money. So as an example, I'm going to click on this ad right here. After clicking on an ad, you'll be redirected to a different website. The only thing you'll be required to do is wait 10 to 15 seconds that's specified on this given offer while scrolling up and down on this page so the website knows to not assume that you're just a bot. Here, it will show the timer at the top of this website to show when it's complete so you know when you'll get paid. After the timer is complete, you can exit that website and the money will be added into your account. Now, you can just repeat this process and click on all these other ads and continue to earn money. In addition to this, you can also complete the daily surveys at the top of this website and get paid more than $1 for every survey that you can complete. Next, I'd like to show you something that's pretty incredible. What I'd like for you to do is to click on this button that says Contest at the top of the website, which is right next to Earn Money. You'll see here that this contest will offer prizes amounting up to this much or even this much, and many other cash prizes. You'll notice that these cash prizes are 4 to 5 times as much as you can earn on this website. But in order to actually be able to win these contests or rewards, you'll need to use my special technique. What I want you to do is click on My Account up here on the top right corner to then access your dashboard so you can then start the second phase to earn $30 for every click. Next, just click on this button that says Daily Offers, where you'll be redirected to this page. So here's my trick that I'd like to share with you. So if you were to click right here on this button, you can make this many cents, which is equal to this much money in US dollars. That's all there is to it. If you keep scrolling, you can click on several different ad offers on here and repeat this process. So now for the third step, or phase 3, to learn how to earn $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot, you will want to head over to where it says My Account once more and click on it. I want you to then navigate over here on the left-hand side and click on where it says Affiliate Banners. That will then redirect you to this page right here where it will have your own custom referral link. This link is what you will be sharing to refer to others and make money as a result whenever someone signs up with this website. You can also choose to promote your referral link through banner ads as another strategy if you'd like. You can select any one of these 9 banners here. Once you've selected a banner, you can copy the banner URL here. So you can decide to either click on ads to earn money, or you can create an extra stream of income simply by referring other people to this website. This is very ideal as this is definitely a win-win situation for you. The people that you refer will be able to make money online while watching ads, and you'll earn money by referring those people to this website on complete autopilot. This is definitely one of the best ways I could suggest for you to earn money on aticlicks.net. So in order to share your referral link and send it to traffic or people to click on and sign up with, just copy your referral link right here and begin sharing this link on different relevant Facebook groups. You can also use other platforms such as Quora or Reddit to share your link in different online forums or subgroups for those who are looking to earn money online. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, click on this video right here.